All right, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. We're doing one box of World Cup Prizm 2018. Darn it, why is it not doing this? Oh, there we go. One box of 2018 World Cup Prizm. Let me get this randomizer set up. All right, this is break number 255. 255. One box, 2018 World Cup Prizm Jumbo. All right, there are your 12 participants. We're going to open the box. As usual, we're going to number the packs, and then we're going to randomize the names to determine who gets which pack. Yeah, prices on everything have gone nuts. Like, even your match attacks are going to start selling for, who knows. Stickers already are selling for crazy numbers. I don't know. I think probably match attacks will follow. That'll be the day. People start grading match attacks, I guess. Alan, I ship hundreds of packages worldwide every month. You just pay the shipping to Australia. Whenever on international, there's 1 through 12, guys. 1 through 12. So now we're going to randomize the names to determine who gets which pack. Yeah, pretty much half the people that buy here are international. So what happens is I ship on demand for international breakers. So whenever you're ready for your package, you just ask me to ship. And then I ship. You send you your total for shipping. It'll probably run you somewhere between $6-7 if you just did like one break. If you do like 10 breaks, it'll probably run you like $15 or so. It just depends on how many breaks you do, how many cards you hit. All right, here we go, guys. We're going to roll the dice. We re-roll snake eyes. Otherwise, we go with it. 7 times. All right, this is going to determine who gets which packs. We're going 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th and final. Good luck. 7. Tom on top, Orion on the bottom. All right, so let me go and copy this. Get rid of the other one. Get rid of that one. All right, so there you have it. So Tom, you're going to have packs 1 and 6. Tom had 2 spots, so he gets pack 1 and pack 6. Those go to Tom. Good luck, brother. Alan, no, you add the shipping later. You just, yeah, can't charge you shipping now because I don't know what it's gonna be. So whenever you want me to ship after the break, I have to sort it, and then you ask for shipping, and you can pay on the website. You just pay it separately. That's all. Thiago Silva, Gamboa, Otamendi. These are all for Tom. Mahmoudi, Kagawa. We got a red prism for Bentner. Push this back a little bit. Payet. Behind that, we've got Joe Hart. Behind that, we've got Morishige. Behind that, we've got Barcenas. Yeah, I bought some just for shits and giggles to see what they'd be like. The 18-19 season, I think, is what they had. All right. Number 6, also going to Tom. Good luck, Tom. Veron. Nice. Timo Werner. Werner rookie. I sell one touches, Alan. If you hit like a monster card, yeah, I usually mag like the big monster cards. If you ask cards that are like a few $100 worth, I do. But on smaller cards, no. If you want to buy a mag, you can always buy one. Schmeichel, but yeah, if it's a monster card, I do mag them. John Obi Mikel. Maximovic. Oh, we got a blue coming up. Come on, Mbappe me. N'Golo Kante me. N'Golo Kante. Dos Santos and Brozovic. Here you go, Tom, man. Thank you, Tom. Yeah, they've been around for a while, right? Match attacks. Yeah. Like even World Cup stickers now are rising like crazy. Some of the older years, like the 2006 stickers, even the 18 stickers are selling for like 70, 80 bucks a box. All of a sudden, you get them for like 20 bucks before. So this is Tom. Alright, so that was Tom. Thanks, brother. Pack 2, 3 are Colin. Colin has 2 and 3. This is 179 a pack, I believe, is what it's been so far. And heading up, so it's not going to be 179 for much longer. Mueller, sorry, Hazard, Henderson, Moy, there's Modric, Slitty, Seferovic, Sigurdsson, Zagoev, Saeed Silver. These are Collins packs. 2 and 3 belong to Colin. Come on. Ooh, hoping for a Messi. Nacho, Perez, Gomes, and Kyer. I'm not sure, Saul, what you're referring to. Not familiar with that set. All right, Colin, here we go. Pack 3 for Colin. Sturridge, Willian, Giroud, Sanchez, Mbolo, Yatun, Benatia, Vecino, Young, Chesney. We do have a silver coming up. It is Argentina colors. Good luck. Come on, one time. Silver Messi. Ooh, silver Suarez. That's still pretty sick. Uruguay. Silver Suarez. Congrats. Nice. Mo Salah. Boom shakalaka. That's Colin. Definitely a nice second pack there. Got the Mo Salah and the silver Suarez. Davinson Sanchez. These go to Colin. All right. 4 is Paul. Paul Nguyen. Here we go, Paul. Nice. There you go, Paul. You got a Messi. Isco. Ozil. Nice. Lewandowski and Rodriguez. Oh, you killed it. Sick box. Ozil. We got Lewandowski too. Or sick pack, I should say. It's a nice pack. You got Isco red, Lewandowski Prizm, Ozil Prizm, and the Messi. Alright, Ryan Elliott. Ryan Elliott, you got packs 5 and pack 12. Ryan Elliott, you got 5 and 12. Yeah, all players. In 14 World Cup Prizm, huh? It's all their first Prizm cards. Alright, here we go. Good luck, Ryan Elliott. Walker, Coutinho, Haddadi. Okay, we're going to have a silver coming up. Belhanda silver. Then you got Benatia behind that. You got Baka, Kihi, and Haddadi. Right, good luck, Ryan, with your second pack. Neymar, nice one there. Kante, Baka, Ozil, Avincula, Belhanda, Suarez, Juric. Okay, we're going to have the silver coming up. Good luck. Nice, silver Azard. A nice one behind that. You got Werner, New Era. Silver Eden Hazard. And that you got Timo Werner. And behind that you got Goretzka, Abdullah, and Mbolo. Silver Belhanda. Yeah, everything's chilled. Well, that's good. Yeah. So that was Ryan Elliott. All right, thank you, Ryan. Wow, Leon played already? So what? Some of the leagues are already going or what? All right, Cody Johnson, you got 7 and 8. Cody Johnson, you got 7 and 8. Good luck. Nice one in the back there. Okay, we have already. Ooh, there he is. There he is, Mr. Mbappe. Congrats, Cody. A good start. There's a money. How about a silver Mehmedi? This one. Koscielny, Reyes, and Luka Modric. This one was 179, Pan. 179. At least for this one it was. I'll probably post another one at 179, and then after that it's probably going up. Cody, just depends on what I can get it on Monday. I'm trying to get more, but it's getting hard. Second pack for Cody. But yeah, I'll post one more at the same price of 179. Guerrero and Cavani. That. You got a red underneath this. Ooh, Angel Di Maria. Red. New era. Chadley. Hassawi. And Aaron Moy. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. Di Maria red. I also, guys, have a nice 2-box break of Chrome, one each from 117-18, 118-19. So you have a chance at Mbappe rookies and Sancho rookies and Felix rookies. It's one pack of each. And that way it's cheaper than the 17. It's 197, I think. So for 197 you get 2 packs in that one. And that's for Chrome. Let's see how many's left in that. Yeah, we still got 12 left. We sold 6 already. Check this one out, guys. This one's a pretty sweet break right there. So that one is Cody Johnson. $255. It's Cody. All right, packs 9. 9 goes to Aristeo de Jesus. Good luck, Aristeo. Koscielny, James Rodriguez, Hummels, Urena, Larson, Tapia, Saiz, Jimenez, Piszek. All right, silver coming up. Dejaga silver. You got Dele Alli and Marcus Rashford. Behind that, you got Dele Alli. Behind that, you got Yoshida. Behind that, you got Vecino. Dele Alli. Yeah, everything's on YouTube, and then I post it on there. Yeah. And if you click on the live video stream, it'll take you to the YouTube stream. Bubonic Conic. The Chronicles fill already too, or no? Because I know that one was going. So that's Aristeo de Jesus. All right, number 10, Surge. There you go, Surge. Surge Halas. Good luck, Surge. Oviedo. I got Icardi, Dele Alli, Chadli, Carlos Sanchez, Jedinak, Subasic, Balde Diao. I got Guillermo Ochoa. All right, we got a red Prizm coming up. Santiago Arias for Colombia. Then we got Argentina Uruguay color coming up for the Prizm. Good luck. Mauro Icardi, nice one there. Behind that, João Moutinho. Behind that, Benatia. Got the right countries, wrong players. Nice little Messi, Ronaldo would have been nice. Icardi, Arias. I got Moutinho and Benatia and Schmeichel. All right, last pack goes to Nick Borton. This one was for Surge. All right, Nick Borton, last one. Good luck, number 11. Nice one to start. Salah, Perez, Hart, Goretzka, Rakitic, Luthi, Shaka, David Silva, Glick, Al Jassim. We got a silver coming up. Good luck. Silver is Milik. Milik silver. Behind the silver, we've got an Ozil. Behind Ozil, we have a Prizm coming up. Good luck. It's the right color. Right color. Come on. Oh, it's Costa Rica, Oviedo. Behind that, we got Sergio Ramos. Behind that, we got Yotun. So you got Sergio Ramos Prizm. We've got a Mohamed Salah base. We've got a silver Milik. 42. And let's start that. That. Uh-oh, what happened? Alright, that's the end of this break anyway, guys. I'm having some technical difficulties. Let me end the recording.